How to add money to your Binance US application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's get started. First and foremost, open the Binance US app. You can easily get it via Play Store or App Store. You can update it to the latest version. After that, sign in with your email and password. Next up, you have to access the wallet section. It could be based on your UI, which is usually on the Binance app logo. Once that is done, go to the deposit section. After that, you have to begin adding funds to your Binance US account. You will see a list of cryptocurrencies that you can deposit. To add USD, make sure to select USD in the option. Enter the amount that you want to deposit, and then you'll be prompted to choose a payment method. You have to select a payment method which could be ACH transfer, debit card, or wire transfer. ACH transfer is free, though it may take a few days for funds to clear. Debit card may be fees but provide instant deposit. Likewise, wire transfer is usually used for the larger amounts, may incur fees as well. If it's your first time depositing with a particular method, you'll need to connect it. For this, just follow the prompts to link your bank account or debit card securely. Once the deposit is processed, your Binance US wallet balance will reflect the new amount. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.